So today I'm going to be cutting my hair. This is my cabin. I'm gonna switch on the light. I'm going to be cutting my hair for the first time since I signed on about 3 months ago, and then I'm going to on all the lights here so I will see very clearly. So this is my cabin. This is the first time I'm making a vlog showing you guys around how my cabin looks like. You can see. I hope I'll be able to bob my hair with this light. I'll be cutting my hair today. It's been about 3 months since I cut my hair. 3 months, yeah. So I will be using my GoPro as the mirror I'll be using to view the back view, to be checking what I'm making at the back. So with the help of my GoPro and then the phone, because I can't stand at the mirror, so I'm using the GoPro as my mirror. I will show you what I'll be doing. I'll be using this, my GoPro. I wish I can show you. You can see it like this. Yeah. So I'll put it at the back like this, and then I will open my phone. I will be recording with this now. I will use my phone to make from the application, GoPro application. I will be taking the view directly from my phone instead of using the mirror. So it should be like this. I will hold the camera like this, and then my phone will be at my back, and then on my right side I'll be having my clip. So I will be showing you. I have started recording now, and then let me show you. How can I show you this? Well, this is my GoPro here. This is my GoPro here, and so I'm using this phone as my mirror. And so I'm turning like this. You can see I'm turning. So like this. This is my mirror. I'm ready to give myself a nice haircut. So I'm going to start by taking my step 1, and then this my clipper, my golden clipper. Oh fuck, 1%. Fuck. So I'm bringing the charger. I think I will have to use it plus because I can't wait. I have to sleep and wake up early for my watch. So I will use it like this.
I sit back and I reminisce, it's insane to me, Lord. Every time I have a problem, I run to you, Lord. I come back to you, Lord. You know I run to you, Lord. I come back to you, Lord. You know I run to you, Lord. Look up to God, put my head in the sky. Losses after losses, I just wonder why. People think I'm tripping like my shoes untied. If it wasn't for the music, would've gave up now. I cry in the dark, that's why it seems alright. I know that I'm special after average time. It's alright to cry sometime. Gonna be okay, gonna be fine, Lord. It's gonna be fine, gonna be fine, gonna be fine.
Oh. Fuck. This was close. Fucking.
So I couldn't preview with I was using time lapse. I couldn't preview with my phone, so that's why I changed my position from here to mirror. And as you can see now, I'm almost done, but I need to go and get extra mirror so I can view my back and record time lapse. Because like this, I can turn, but I think I need to still get a mirror to make this place looks more neat. So I will be recording time lapse again. I'll be back. Waves is gone.